arc length of a curve, right? For a parametrized curve, the position vector r bar of t, you know what is r bar of t, right? So for a parametrized curve, the position vector r bar of t of any point t on the curve can be written as r bar of t is x of ti plus y of tj plus z of tk, where t belongs to closed interval ab. And if you do its derivative r bar dash of t, then that is called a tangent vector. And so it is r bar dash of t is x dash of ti plus y dash of tj plus z dash of tk. And if you take it modulus, mod r bar dash of t is square root of x dash of t whole square plus y dash of t whole square plus z dash of t whole square. Hence, the formula is the arc length of the parametrized curve is s. S is the length, okay, length of the arc, is equal to integration from t is equal to a to b mod of r bar dash of t dt. So if you want to find the arc length of a curve, what you need? First you need r bar dash of t and then its modulus, okay, and then you have to integrate it between the limit a to b. Now this is example number 1. Find the length of the curve. So length of the curve, that means arc length. R bar of t is this one. On the interval 0 less or equal to t less or equal to 2 pi. So here limit of t is from 0 to 2 pi. Okay. And length arc of the curve is equal to s is equal to, you know, t is equal to a to b mod of r bar dash of t dt. So you know that a is equal to 0, b is equal to 2 pi, okay, but r bar t is given, so r bar dash of t is what? Differentiation of that one. So in differentiation of 2t, differentiation of 2t is 2, differentiation of 3 sine 2t, that is differentiation of sine 2t is cos 2t into 2, so it is 6 cos 2t, right? And differentiation of cos 2t is minus sine 2t into 2, so it is minus 6 sine 2t, okay, so it is 2i plus 6 cos 2tj minus 6 sine 2tk, and therefore mod r bar dash of t is square root of 2 whole square plus 6 cos 2t whole square plus minus 6 sine 2t whole square. Now it is equal to square root of 4 plus 36 cos square 2t plus 36 sin square 2t. If you take 36 common, cos square 2t plus sin square 2t becomes 1. Okay, so it is 4 plus 36, that is 40. So square root of 40 is 2 root 10. It is 10 fours are 40. Square root of 4 is 2, and square root of 10, it is square root of 10 only. Right, so it is 2 root 10. Now put these things into the formula. So arc length s is equal to a to b, that is t is equal to 0 to 2 pi mod r bar dash of t dt, that is equal to 0 to 2 pi. What is mod r bar dash of t? 2 root 10 dt. Now 2 root 10 is constant, right? You can take it outside, 2 root 10, and dt, integration of dt is t, limit is 0 to 2 pi. It gives us 2 pi minus 0. So it is 4 pi root 10. It is 4 pi root 10. Right? So example number 2. Find the length of the arc of the parametrized curve r bar of t is equal to 2 root 2 by 3 t raised to 3 by 2i plus t square by 2j plus t plus 3k between t is equal to 0 and t is equal to 2. Now we know length of the arc is equal to s is equal to integration from t is equal to a to b mod r bar dash of t dt. Now t is from a to b, here the limit of t is 0 to 2, so our limit of integration is 0 to 2. Okay, now what is r bar of t? Here it is given in the question, right? So we can write here a is equal to 0, b is equal to 2, right? R bar of t is this one given in the question. So what is r bar dash of t? See, it is 2 root 2 by 3, and in differentiation of t raised to 3 by 2, so that is 3 by 2 t raised to 1 by 2. Okay, where this 3, 3, 2, 2, they get cancelled. So we are left with only root 2 t raised to 1 by 2. And again, t square by 2. What is differentiation of t square? It is 2t. Okay, so 2t by 2. 2 cancel, only t left. Plus differentiation of t plus 3 is very, very simple, 1 plus 0. Right, differentiation of t is 1, differentiation of 3 is 0. So we have r bar dash of t is equal to this one, root 2 t raised to 1 by 2i plus t j plus k, and therefore mod r bar dash of t is square root of, see, root 2 into this t raised to 1 by 2 is also root t, so root 2t whole square, that is 2t, plus t whole square, that is t square, plus there is nothing, means 1 square is 1, so it is 2t plus t square plus 1. But see, this is the complete square polynomial, t square plus 2t plus 1, right? T square plus 2t plus 1, that is t plus 1 whole square. So it is square root of t plus 1 whole square, which is t plus 1. So mod r bar dash of t is t plus 1. Now put these values in the formula, as is equal to a to b mod r bar dash of t dt. If you put that value here, those values here, then it is t is equal to 0 to 2 t plus 1 dt. Now it is very easy to integrate this. Integration of t is t square by 2, integration of 1 is t, okay, and limit is 0 to 2. When you put 2, it is 2 square by 2 plus 2, minus when you put t is equal to 0, it is 0 plus 0, it is meaningless, right? So it is just 2 whole square by 2 plus 2, and that is 2 plus 2, which is 4. So this is your answer. So arc length is S is equal to 4. Now example number 3. Find the arc length of circle x square plus y square is equal to a square and z is equal to 3. So you can observe one thing here. The position vector r bar of t is not given. The curve is not parameterized. So first we have to parameterize it. Okay, so we do the parameterization of the curve. We have x square plus y square is equal to a square and z is equal to 3. Since this is a circle, you know, we can parameterize it like this. Here radius is r is equal to a. You know that parameterization is done in this way. Let x is equal to r cos t, y is equal to r sin t, but r is a, so x is equal to a cos t, y is equal to a sin t, and z is equal to 3, which is constant, so we don't need to do anything with that. Okay, so parametric equation is r bar of t is x of ti plus y of tj plus z of tk. What is x of t? A cos t into I, plus what is y of t? A sin t into j, plus z of t k, but z is equal to 3. So it is a cos ti plus a sin t j plus 3k. And what is the limit of t? See, since it is a circle, right, the limit of t is 0 to 2 pi. Okay, and what is mod r bar dash of t? Sorry, first we have to find r bar dash of t. So what is r bar dash of t? It is cos t, differentiation is minus sin t, so it is minus a sin ti. Differentiation of sin t is cos t, so it is a cos tj, and differentiation of 3 constant, differentiation of a constant is 0, so it is 0k, and therefore mod r bar dash of t is what? Square root of minus a sin t whole square plus a cos t whole square plus 0 square. Okay, and that is a square sin square t plus a square cos square t. If you take a square common, in the brackets we have sin square t plus cos square t, right, and sin square t plus cos square t is 1, so we have missed one step here because it is obvious, right? So square root of a square is a, so mod r bar dash of t is a. Now you know the formula for the arc length. So the arc length as is integration from t is equal to a to b mod r bar dash of t dt, but the limit of t is 0 to 2 pi, and the value of mod r bar dash of t is a, so it is 0 to 2a dt. A is constant, okay, and we can take it outside, and integration dt is t, limit 0 to 2 pi, which gives us 2 pi, so 2 pi into a, that is our answer. Okay, example number 4. Find the length of curve of circular helix. R bar of t is equal to a cos ti plus a sin tj plus ctk from a00 to a02 pi c. These are the 2 points, okay, on this curve. Now you know that the position vector can also be written in the square brackets like this if you don't want to write ijk. So r bar t is a cos t, a sin t, ct, okay. And now you have to think for which value of t you get this. So if you put t is equal to 0 in this one, okay, cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0, so it is a0, and if you put t is equal to 0, it is 0 0, okay. So it is a0 0. For t is equal to 0, if you put that value in r bar of t, you get a0 0. For the value of t is equal to 0, you get this point a0 0 on the curve. And now think for which value of t you get a0 to pi c. So if you put t is equal to 2 pi in this one, okay, what you get? Cos 2 pi is 1, so it is a. Sin 2 pi is 0, so it is 0, and c 2 pi, so you get this point a0 to pi c. So for the values of t and for the value of t is equal to 0 and t is equal to 2 pi, you get these 2 points a0 0 and a0 to pi c. It means that the limit of t is 0 to 2 pi. Now you already have r bar of t. So what is r bar dash of t? Its differentiation. It is minus a sin t, a cos t, c, right? And therefore mod r bar dash of t is under root a square sin square t plus a square cos square t plus c square. In these first two terms, if you take a square common, in the brackets you have a sin square t plus cos square t, which is 1. So you are left with only a square. So we have under root a square plus c square. That is the value of mod r bar dash of t. Now you know length of the curve is s is equal to t is from limit is 0 to 2 pi mod r bar dash of t dt, and that is 0 to 2 pi mod a square plus c square dt. Now a square plus c square is constant, okay, and and integration dt is t, and when you put the limit 0 to 2 pi, it is 2 pi. So your answer is under root a square plus c square 2 pi, okay.